Hello, my name is David. Welcome back to my channel where I share all things finance, business growth, and success. If you're starting a business or side hustle, one of the first and most important steps to take is registering your business. In today's video, I'll be breaking down why business registration is so essential and what can go wrong if you skip it. Don't worry, I've added links in the description to help you register your business step by step. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Business registration is the legal process of declaring your business to the government. Whether you're forming an LLC, a corporation, or even registering a sole proprietorship, it's how your business goes from just an idea to an official entity. Once you're registered, you can open a business bank account, sign contracts, get licenses, and so much more. Think of it as your business's birth certificate. Without it, you don't legally exist. Now, I get it. A lot of entrepreneurs skip registration at first. Maybe you're just testing an idea, trying to avoid paperwork, or saving money up front. But here's the thing. Skipping registration can cost you way more in the long run. Let me show you why. 1. Legal protection. When you register as an LLC or corporation, your personal assets are protected. That means if your business gets sued, your car, house, and savings are safe. 2. Business banking and credit. You can't open a proper business bank account or get funding without being registered. Banks want to see you're legit. 3. Builds trust. Clients, vendors, and partners take you more seriously when your business is legally registered. It shows you're in it for real. 4. Tax benefits. Depending on your structure, you may get access to better tax deductions, including for home office, software, vehicles, and more. 5. Easier to scale. Want to hire? Work with contractors? Get paid under your business name? You'll need that legal foundation. Without registration, you're just freelancing under your name. And that's fine until it isn't. So what happens if you don't register? You could be personally liable for business debts. You may get fined by your state or city. You might miss out on tax benefits and even get audited. And you'll definitely have a harder time getting serious clients or partnerships. It's just not worth the risk, especially when registration is usually simple and inexpensive. If you haven't registered your business yet, now's the time. Whether you're launching a consulting brand, selling online, or building the next big thing, getting legal is step 1. I've added all the links you need right in the description, including where to register in your state and how to choose the right structure for your business. And if you want a full walkthrough, check out my video on LLC versus sole proprietor. I'll link it here on the screen and in the description. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We drop new videos every week to help you grow and protect your business. Got questions about your specific situation? Drop them in the comments. I respond to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.